How to sign in into MetLife Dental Provider account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly sign into your MetLife Dental Provider account. So in order to access your MetLife Dental Provider account online, follow the steps. So let's kick things off by launching your favorite web browser and typing MetLife login into the search bar. Among the search results, select the official MetLife website for account login, that is indicating login to your account MetLife. Click on this website over here and you will be directed to the official login page of MetLife. Here in this login page, you have to enter the correct form of your username and your password in the respective designated areas. Then click on login button, which is highlighted in the blue color, in order to successfully log into your MetLife Dental Provider account. But in the event if you have forgotten your username, you can click on this Forgot Username option in order to retrieve your username. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this Forgot Password option over here, through which you will be able to reset your password successfully. New users can register by selecting the Register Now option, and for additional assistance, access a login help desk by clicking on I Can't Login. So this was all about it. This is how you can sign into your MetLife Dental Provider account online. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.